Pima County prosecutors have an additional 60 days to decide whether they will seek the death penalty against the man charged with killing 6-year-old Isabel Celis and 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez. A judge granted an extension that allows the Pima County Attorney's Office to consider its decision until late March.
New at 6, KGUN 9 on your side's Craig Smith talked to a lead prosecutor about how they decide whether to try for the ultimate punishment.
Isabel Celis' disappearance was a mystery for 5 years until her remains were found in a field in Avra Valley in 2017. The remains of 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez were found in the same area in 2014, 3 days after she disappeared. Christopher Clements is charged in both deaths. There's no decision yet on whether prosecutors will seek the death penalty against him. Prosecutor Jonathan Mosier talked to us about how prosecutors make that decision, but we need to be clear. He can only speak in general, not about the Clements case or any other.
So we've got to ensure defendants the right to a fair trial, and so we just can't comment on pending cases at all.
Mosier says a death penalty decision does not hinge on whether a case is high profile. Instead, prosecutors look for factors spelled out in state law and court decisions.
Was the murder committed for monetary gain, or was there another serious offense for which the person was convicted before the murder? Factors like cruel, heinous, and depraved, which have really received a lot of attention from the Arizona Supreme Court because there's a lot of ambiguity about those words. What makes a murder cruel, heinous, and depraved?
The decision to go for death does not fall to one prosecutor.
We have a capital review panel, and that consists of the county attorney, Barbara Lawal, her chief deputy, the chief criminal deputy, all of the bureau chiefs, the most experienced homicide prosecutors, anyone with death penalty experience.
Prosecutors consider victims' families too. They may prefer going for a life sentence because a death sentence means automatic appeals that could drag on for years. Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.